Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. And today I've got something different for you. We now have the dynamic island on Android, thanks to Jawamo, who has released this on the Google Play app. Now it's called Dynamic Spot Multitasking, and it's an early access version. And as you can see here, iPhone 14 Pro Dynamic Island Multitasking for your phone. So there are a few examples of how it looks. Let me see if I can zoom in. There we are. You got your message pop-up, music, as well as emails and everything like that. Now I've got the app installed, so let's give it a go and see how it looks. First things first, we'll go to Apple Music and we'll put on a random song. Let's play that. And as you can see here, you've got the dynamic island in effect. You've got your web art on the left and the minute of the song that's playing on the right. And if we hold it, it pops up like it does on the iPhone. If we click out of it, it goes back into the web art. If we just click on the app, there we go. And the dynamic island is basically working how it would do on the iPhone. Now I've set a timer. Let's see if that works. Okay, so it comes up as a pop-up, but it doesn't seem... Okay, yeah, it's gone up to the top. So you've got how long you've got on the right and the timer on the left, but it doesn't seem to be moving as it would do on the iPhone. So if you hold on that, it comes up, but it doesn't say how long left. So as you can see here, we've got 9 minutes 25. If we exit back out of that, goes up to the top, but it doesn't give us a running version of how long left in the timer. Again, it's an early access app, so I'm assuming as updates come, the app will be much better to use. Let's see what else we've got. I'm gonna try and connect my Samsung Buds. So I've got my Samsung Buds here. As I try and open them, if I put them in my ear, let's see what happens. Okay, so it just pops up on that, and it doesn't pop up on the top like it would do on the iPhone. Let's try charging this and see what happens. So I'm gonna put the charger in, if I can, bear with me. And it doesn't pop up on the top like it would do on the iPhone, but yeah, like I said, early access, so hopefully it gets updated. So with the dynamic spot, you do get an app with it, and it gives you notifications, pop-up settings, and it turns out it does have a feature for the battery, which I just saw. I've activated that now, so when the phone is charging, it will come up on the top. And I'll give that a go now just to show you how it looks. Bear with me as I connect it to my MacBook. And as you can see there, it pops up. Now if you try and click it, it just disappears for some reason. But if I take it back out and then put it back in, it should just stay there. Okay, so we've got it up and running now. Yeah, so if you click on the left hand side, it takes you to battery usage, and yeah, from what I've seen, it just stays there on the top, which is quite handy. A nice feature to have, something that would potentially be useful on the iPhone as well, if it just stays on the top when you're using the phone. If you go into the Spot app, see what else they've got. Allow 2 pop-ups, notifications, apps. So you've pretty much got every app that can use it, which is handy. I've just selected it to all. Ignore notification when the screen is off. But yeah, so this is the Dynamic Spot app. It's their version of the Dynamic Island on iPhone, and it's quite useful. It's nice to see that on Android, and knowing Android, they'll probably do a better version of it compared to iPhone. So yeah, that's Dynamic Spot in a nutshell. Leave a like, press that subscribe button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye.